Hey, what's up? So let me show you how you can register the MTN eSIM all by yourself without you needing to go to any MTN office to join any long queue, which might take all of your time. I just did mine and it worked for me. So let me show you the step-by-step process which I followed and was able to successfully activate the MTN eSIM all by myself. And it's pretty simple. So let's get started. Right, so before we begin, here are the list of things that you will need in order for you to successfully request for the MTN eSIM. So first, it's a smartphone that supports the eSIM. That is, in my case, I'm using the iPhone, and more specifically, the iPhone XR. So something like the iPhone XS, the XS Max, and later 11 and upwards all supports the eSIM. So if you had that, you are good. Then the second thing you need is an active MTN number and a stable internet connection. Then the last on the list is to download the MyMTN app from either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. So once you have the app downloaded, you open it and log in with your MTN number. But if you already have this installed and you've logged in with your details and everything successfully, then we can proceed to the next step. So once you are inside the app, you locate the more option at the bottom right corner. So when you click on that, it should take you to the next page, which you are going to see Get eSIM among some other options that will be provided. So you go ahead and click on Get eSIM. Then it should take you to the next phase. That phase is where you are going to enter your phone number. So you enter your phone number and you click on Request OTP, where an OTP will be sent to you via SMS to further verify your number. And then from there, you will go to the next page where you are going to fill out a form that will be sent to the MTN head office for it to be further verified, and you will be granted your eSIM. So in the form list, you are going to provide your name and some other details that will be required. But you realize that at the bottom three options, you are going to provide a profile photo of you, a photo of the card which you used for issuance of the SIM card, and a photo of you holding the card close to your face. But during the process of providing those photos, what I realized was when I opened the camera inside the MTN app to take those photos, I experienced that the whole process was cancelled and I have to go back and redo everything again. So in order to overcome that challenge, what I did was I took a photo of those infos separately inside the phone's native camera app. So the profile photo, I took it separately. The photo of the card, I took it separately, and the photo of me holding the card close to my face, I took that one also separately. So during that phase, I just provided them without me needing to take a photo from the app, which might compromise the whole process. So once I'm done with all this procedure, then you click on Submit. And after some time, you receive this message saying that the request has been successfully submitted. So from there, you have to wait 72 hours, which is 3 days. So after 72 hours, they are going to process every info and detail that you provided. So if it's okay and meets their standard, you receive a call from one of the agents from the office, and he will ask you a few questions. Then from there, they are going to send you an email, and that email contains a QR code, and that QR code is what has your eSIM profile on it. So from this step, what I would advise that you do is to get a secondary phone. Then after opening the PDF file, you take a photo of the QR code from your phone. Then on your iPhone, you go back to settings and select mobile services. Then you click on Add eSIM. So from here, you'll be greeted with two options. Then you select the scan QR code. Then you use your phone to scan the QR code which you took the picture of. Then from there, you have to wait a bit longer for it to get processed while it's being activated. But also one thing you will notice is at the top right corner where your reception bar is, you realize now it's going to be two. One being a larger and then the other being some small dots underneath the larger one. And the underneath one is going to be your eSIM reception, while the upper one is going to be the physical SIM reception. So while you wait after 10 minutes to 20 minutes for it to get activated, if it's not, then you have to call the line and then inform them that it hasn't been activated. So they will tell you to take out your physical SIM card, and then they will do something what they refer to as SIM swapping. So while the SIM swapping is done, then you should be good to go with the eSIM. After it's been even activated, MTN will give to you a 3 GB data for you to use for browsing. But 3 gig will just get depleted in a matter of seconds. So yeah, that's been it. It's pretty simple. So if you find this video very helpful, then consider subscribing and also giving us a thumbs up. And also share it to someone that also might need help getting along with the eSIM. Also, we are trying to reach a goal of 5,000 subscribers for September this year. So if you enjoy the kind of content I make, then consider subscribing to support us reach that goal. And that's been it. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.